way to Kia Ora Farm in Wexford. It's very bright, so I have to wear my sunglasses. So sorry. Gary's brother and his family have just gotten in from Tennessee. So our kids are pretty much meeting for the first time. It's going to be exciting. This will be their first play date with their cousins. There's loads to do down here. We went once before and Wolf had the time of his life because it has real diggers, which made his whole world. And so you can actually sit on the diggers and like dig muck and things. And there's a fire engine you can ride in and a maze and things. And there's actually, it's Christmas time, so there's a Santa as well, which we're gonna hopefully get a nice photo with all the kids together. I think, like, out of all the farms I've been to, it seems to be the most, like, a lot to do, because a lot of farms are just kind of like, here's some animals, here's a little playground, and that's it, whereas this has like a few different things. What? Huh? Farmer, yeah, it has a farmer. I think Wolf is napping, but I can't really tell. So here's our little trick. Wolf, do you want some chocolate? And when he doesn't answer, he's napping. And when he does answer and he says yes and we have no chocolate, we laugh in his face and we say, ha, you can't have any. And he cries and we laugh even harder. Sand pits, Wolf, with lots of toys in them. Loads of little tractors and bikes and cars and things for them to run around in. Down here there's the chickens and pheasants and guinea fowl. I don't know the names of all the birds, but all the poultry. Reeds, pheasant, ducks down there. They said there's no queue for Santa right now, so we're gonna go straight there and then we're gonna see all the rest of the stuff. Oh, look at this little Christmas village! This would be great if there was a big queue.
If we had to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To be looking in here and be entertained.
Is this your sister? Are you sisters or friends?
Cousins.
Oh, cousins.
And Gizmo's your dog, yeah?
Gizmo, do you know why this key is special? If you give this key to the elf who's working outside, she's going to let you pick whatever present you want to bring home today.
Oh my goodness. So we're just out from visiting Santa. That toy room was amazing, and it's like loads of different toys to choose from. You go in with a magic key. It's a really good setup. I'm very, very impressed. So Wolf went for a fire truck. It was between a dinosaur and a fire truck. He went for a fire truck. No, you don't go on the cow. Look, you milk the cow. I don't know how this works. Let's see. Woo! So he suddenly took off. I didn't know where he went. He's run into the maze. So I don't know if we'll ever get him back. He might be lost forever. Ah! And there goes the fire truck! Yeah, you can ride in the fire truck. We'll definitely be doing that after the maze. If we ever get out of here. Dead end! Which way did you come up? Oh, we can go around that way as well. There's Wolf. Wolf's made his way out. He's now climbing up the slide. He finally got out and he's running back in. He knows exactly where he's going. my god, last time we were here, it's been like only 2 months ago, he couldn't get up there on his own. He needed a lift up. Oh my god, he's growing up too fast. We're on the fire truck. Are you excited to be in the fire truck? Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Wolf, say thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Again? Yeah. So we've all just had toasted sandwiches. This is the afternoon. We're on our way back from Kia Ora Farm with a lot of little kids. You don't get to see everything, but the diggers, the maze, the petting farm, the fire engine, all that stuff is was the bonus of Kia Ora Farm, and that was so fun. That was amazing. The kids loved it. One thing that I was not expecting was for the Santa to be so good. I thought it would just be like, you know, a little Santa in a hut. You go in and sit on his knee and leave. But like, he was such a good Santa. He was really like chatting to the kids and asking them what they wanted for Christmas, and really friendly with the kids, and making sure we got all the photos we wanted. And that room of toys was amazing. It blew me away. We also stopped for lunch, so they have a little cafe with sandwiches and teas and coffees and cakes. Last time we were here was Halloween, and they went all out for Halloween, and they've gone all out for Christmas again, so they really put on an amazing show for occasions. Yep, Kia Ora Farm in Gorey. What do you think, Gary?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. It is such a great time.
Yep.
And we'll definitely be back soon. We were actually saying we'll do an annual Christmas thing because that Santa was so good. So we'll definitely be back next Christmas, and I'm sure we'll be back loads of times in the meantime.